Hi, I'm Dave Ronan, the founder of ROX. As a DIY musician or producer, perfecting your audio mix can be challenging. In this video, I'm going to show you how MixCheck Studio can help you achieve your best sound. MixCheck Studio is an assistive audio tool designed to identify and address common issues in your mixes. We built it to help music creators elevate their tracks to a professional level and reduce the guesswork. Let's dive into what makes MixCheck Studio essential for your music production process. Mixing involves a lot of tweaking, and it can be hard to know if you're on the right track. MixCheck Studio is a free-to-use tool. You simply upload your work in progress mix or master, and in less than a minute, you receive a detailed mix report with actionable feedback tailored to your track and genre. To get started, first upload your audio file in WAV or MP3 format. For best results, we recommend you upload a WAV, as it offers higher quality. Next, provide some basic information about your audio. This helps us provide more accurate analysis and relevant recommendations for your song. Tell us whether your track is a mix or a master. If it's already been through the mastering process, choose master. Then, select the genre that best represents your music. This helps tailor the analysis and feedback to the specific style and conventions of your genre. Once you've made your selections, your audio file will then be uploaded for MixCheck analysis. Our processing typically takes a minute or two, depending on the file size and your internet speed. Here's your MixCheck report. The first section details the characteristics and technical elements of your mix. MixCheck will highlight common audio issues such as clipping, phase issues, monocompatibility, and stereo field imbalances. You can hover over each highlighted issue for a detailed explanation. Issues requiring your attention are marked in red. Below this, you'll find our actionable feedback on how to improve your mix. This feedback is tailored to your track based on our analysis. Click on each suggestion to receive more detailed guidance on addressing specific aspects. Remember that mixing and mastering is an art form, and while we provide suggestions, the final decision is always yours. You can save your reports in your ROX account for future reference, or create a shareable link to send to peers and collaborators. For those looking for extra help with mixing and mastering, our Enhance My Mix feature uses AI to ensure that your mix is well balanced. It identifies enhancements for optimal loudness, tone, and stereo width. You can listen back to our suggested enhancements and pay to download the track. To use this feature, click on Enhance My Mix in the report. If you've uploaded a work-in-progress mix, you can choose whether to enhance the mix only or to include a final mastering stage. This mastering stage prepares your music for release, meeting the loudness standards for platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Click Enhance My Mix, and our platform processes your audio. This process may take a few minutes depending on the track length. Once the process is complete, you can listen to the enhanced version of your mix. Use the toggle to compare it with the original so you can clearly hear the improvements. If you're satisfied with the changes, you can download the enhanced track in WAV format. All audio downloads will also be saved in your ROX account for future access. At ROX, we believe in the rights of artists. When you use our technology, your ownership of your composition and master recordings remain unchanged. We respect your rights and ensure that no uploaded materials are used for training our AI models. And that's how MixCheck Studio can help you achieve the perfect mix for your music. At ROX, we aim to empower artists and producers with cutting-edge music technology. Use MixCheck Studio to get free, actionable feedback on your work-in-progress mix or master in minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy mixing.